Unlock the power of GA4 with Google Tag Manager by easily sending valuable website data for better insights and cross-platform tracking. First, head over to your Google Tag Manager account and select the workspace you want to use. If you don't have one, create a new account and container for your website. Next, navigate to the Tag section and click New to create a new tag. This is where we'll configure the tag that sends data to Google Analytics 4. Click on Tag Configuration and choose Google Analytics GA4 configuration. This will set up the base tag that loads the GA4 library. Now, you need your measurement ID from Google Analytics. Go to your GA4 account, click on Admin, then Data Streams, and select your web data stream. Copy the measurement ID. Paste the measurement ID into the appropriate field in your tag configuration. Next, click on the triggering section to specify when this tag should fire. For basic GA4 tracking, select the All Pages trigger. This ensures the tag fires on every page of your website. You can customize triggers for specific events later. Give your tag a descriptive name so you can easily identify it later, like GA4 configuration All Pages. Click Save to finalize your tag configuration. Before publishing, use the preview mode to test if your tag is firing correctly on your website. This helps catch any errors early on. Once you've confirmed everything is working, click Submit and then Publish to push your changes live. That's it. You've successfully installed a GA4 data stream using Google Tag Manager.